Okay, the answer is AI Keno numbers work. And the casinos don't want you to know about it. Watch the very last bonus round and claim your free AI Keno numbers. Subscribe and join the YouTube Keno community and become a winner. Let's see how we do with our first bonus round. Okay, max bet at 10 and the coin is 5. Cool, start off with a 3 out of 7. Cool. Even better. 4 out of 7. Alright, 6 more plays to go. Cool. Another 4 out of 7. Could use a few more of those. Come on, Cleo. Last play coming up. $40 credits for the bonus round. Cool. This 3 out of 7 got us 150 credits. Okay, not a bad start, but we can do better. Let's look at our next bonus round. Okay, this doghouse set of numbers are last year's AI Keno numbers, and they are winners. Subscribe for the best AI Keno numbers and strategies. Let's see how Rover does in this bonus round. So, the bet is 10 and the coin is 5 cents. Typical start for us, 3 out of 7. Cool, 4 out of 7. Very cool, another 4 out of 7. Let's get a bunch more of those. Get that 3 out of 7. Last play coming up. So, 160 credits for the bonus, for a total of 170. Rover did good, but let's see if we can become better winners on the next bonus round. Okay, this is a 6-spot of Keno numbers. The set of 4 are AI Keno suggestions, and the other 2 are my lucky Keno numbers. Subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers and strategies. Let's see if these Keno numbers make us a Keno winner. Okay, max bet at 10 and the coin is 5 cents. Cool, 3 out of 6. Good place to start. Well. A 5 out of 6 for 800 credits. Okay, let's listen to the beautiful music. Okay, y'all. What are you waiting for? Write these Keno numbers down. Cool. Another 3 out of 6. Last play coming up. Cool. 880 for the bonus. Wow. A 4 out of 6 got us into the bonus for a total of 930 credits. Subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers. So, this is why everyone says AI Keno players are rich. Yes, beginners. AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video. And thanks for watching this video. See you all next week.